Alright, this is Urriðafoss. It is the second most powerful waterfall in Iceland. I just filmed shooting with the drone, testing out some new settings which I've never done before, and I hope they came out nicely, but I'm not sure. Check this out. Anyway, off now to a week since my surgery, and I'm feeling pretty good today. It hasn't been this good for a while. We're walking towards a river, and I've never seen so much water in it before. Just check this out. Usually it's a few meters down, but it is packed, this river now. Absolutely massive today. And now I'm off to visit my mom in her summer house. She also had a surgery, so she's recovering also. Again, I had to stop this sunset and the moon mainly. Moon is crazy. I mean, it's only like 6:30 p.m. and I'm gonna see how it looks like on the drone with that moon, because I don't remember it being so low this time of the day and so bright. Few swans landed in the pond now. Whoa, what are they doing? Sorry for the quality. Saturday morning, and we're gonna go plant some trees, and a little bit later we're gonna go on the kayaks with my small niece. I used to be in love with heartbreak.